guys, today I'm going to be playing with sticky slime. This one isn't sticky, but it's like a watery. So yeah. Okay, the slime turned better from last time when I played with it. It's not that sticky, but it still is like super duper sticky. It's sticking a lot. You know that kid that had that brown slime, and then she started poking, and whoever it was started poking it, and then the side started melting. That's what mine is kind of like. That's because it was not activated enough. I hate the slime. I don't hate it, but like, you know what I mean. It's too sticky. So yeah, so I'm gonna go wipe off my hands. This is disgusting. Done wiping off my hands. Now, try this. All the glitter went to the bottom. And it's a little sticky, but this is it turned to jiggly slime. I don't know how, it was just a normal clear glittery slime, but for some reason it turned into glitter. It turned into jiggly slime. Slime is actually really good. It used to be like a super duper uber good slime, but not really like super duper uber good. It's pretty good slime. It's Halloween, it's Halloween, it's Halloween. It's Christmas time, it's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. I hate when it's literally the beginning of November and everybody says, whoa, Halloween is done, it's time for Christmas. They completely skip Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is like one of the best holidays ever. Like everybody skips Thanksgiving. Like, what the heck is Thanksgiving? I know what you don't know what Thanksgiving is? That's messed up. That's how our country began. They're skipping the holiday. What made our country our country? The United States of America. That's what made our country the United States of America. If it wasn't for Thanksgiving, then nobody would be alive. Okay? Okay. Sorry if you hear some noise up there. But like, I love this slime so much. I should probably do that and crunch it. That's nice. I'm gonna poke it. This is such a good slime. Woo! Yeah. Sorry if you listen to this.